Welcome to Tally Learning Hub, a series of videos to help you learn Tally. Through these short videos, you will know how TallyPrime can make your accounting, inventory management, and compliance simpler and quicker. In this session, you will learn how to download, install, and activate TallyPrime. To begin with, you need to go to the Tally website www.tallysolutions.com. Click on Downloads. Again, click on Download, upon which a setup file gets downloaded onto your system. Run the setup file. Click on Configure to change the folder in which you want TallyPrime to be installed, and then click Install. And that's it. Installing is just that simple. Click Start TallyPrime. The next step is to activate your license, and now here's a tip for you. You can use your keyboard keys to navigate between the various options, and then you can press Enter on the field you would like to click. You can use TallyPrime entirely using just your keyboard, or you can comfortably use mouse to operate. Go to Activate New License and press Enter. Enter your serial number followed by the activation key, followed by your email ID. In case you are taking a free trial, your serial number and activation key will be sent to your email ID given at the time of registering for the free trial. The next step is to unlock your license. Your unlock key will be sent to the email ID you specified during activation. Enter the unlock key and press Enter, and your license is activated. That's it. You are done with activation and ready to use TallyPrime. Here's a quick recap. Downloading and installing TallyPrime. Activating the TallyPrime license.